Hilda from HILDACRAFTY. In one of my previous videos, I had shown you how to use acrylic color on this pot which we get from the nursery. Today I'm going to show you how to use chalk paint. So I'll show you how to make chalk paint for that. So you can use either chalk powder or any talc or wall putty or P.O.P. P.O.P is plaster of Paris. So we'll be needing one portion of any one of this and two portions of any acrylic color. So I'll be using this image on this spot. So I'll be using white and a little bit of red, brown and black to get the desired color. So I'll show you how to do this. P.O.P to make chalk paint. You can use any one of this. Chalk paint is ready and I'll use just a little bit of water, just a few drops of water, and mix it up well. This is the consistency that I'm looking for. It should not be runny and it should not be too thick. So this is the consistency. So now I'm going to use my flat brush again to color this. I'll allow this to dry. Coat is dry. I'll put the second coat now on this. Chalk paint is absolutely dry and you'll see what a lovely matte finish this has. So I'll be using these images on the pot. I'll give you the link in the description box, and for this I'm using wood glue, one portion of wood glue to one portion of water. Mix well and this is what you'll get. So I'll be applying this. It is well pasted, and now I'll do little stenciling here in this area. For that I'll be using this brick stencil, and I'll be using this black stamp pad because this has little black color in this, and I'll be using a sponge. So I'll just place it here, and I'll dip the sponge in the stamp pad. So I'll just do a little bit of distressing around the pot. And I'll use a little bit of bling. So I've already made a hole here. I used a screwdriver and I put it near the gas on the flame, and I just pushed it in and I got the hole. So, and I've just had a charm. This is optional. You can put a earring or anything that you have. So now I can put the pot inside. So I'll just put some plastic bags inside so that it can fit in. So this is how it's going to look. A very vintage looking pot. So this is what I wanted to show you today, and I hope you like my video. I'll come back with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.